Special Talent Art by Ayah Holme, grade 3A. What have I learned in art? That I learned that a drawing is not just a drawing. Sometimes drawing gives you special feelings and happy memories. Art also adds illustrations to books so you know what's going on. Do you know why I love art? There is no right or wrong in art. You can paint or draw however you want. Each year I have a tradition to decorate my room for an event. I make the decorations by hand. Here are some artworks that my famous artists that I like. This is Mona Lisa done by Leonardo da Vinci. And this is Starry Night by Vincent van Gogh. Different art styles that I do. Shaping clay, painting on paper, sketching on paper, and pottery.
I have a favorite of those four.
Mostly sketching.
Okay.
Here's a video of me doing one. You can make it bigger if you want.
I'll try. It's not allowing me. It's okay.
That's my sister. That's me. That's me. That's when I was very young. That's me. It's so good. It's not fun. It's over.
Fantastic.
Here's a special trick on how to draw well. First you make an outline, then you draw over the outline. Finally you have a perfect sketch. That's how I draw. What kind of art tools are there? There are pencils, paintbrushes, markers, and tools for shaping clay. Different art styles that I love, especially Art Deco. Abstract art, Art Deco, pop art, contemporary art. Where do I get my talent? I didn't get my talent from my parents. I got it from my English side of the family. My dad is the only one in his family who can't draw. That's why I put a laughing face. How many types of artists are there that are my favorite? Photographers, painters, tattooists, graphic designers, illustrators, textile artists, cinematographers, sculptors, animators. That's why I love art. What year did you start practicing art? Since 2 years old. But when I did drawings when I was 2 years old, I was so ugly.
Comes with practice, Ayah. Comes with practice.
Yeah.
You did fine. Congrats and wonderful. Thank you guys. Give her another hand.